coffee, each flavor. Okay. He wouldn't go number 2. But he has not gone number 2 downstairs today, so that's a bonus. He's
Blizzard.
Today.
Can I have a treat? Can I have one? Can I have one?
Oh, Daddy. My mommy gave me those. You're being good. I was waiting for him to growl at you. I know what you're eating. I just like to put in those little feel bad daddy things. I'm just joking. I don't mean it. I know you're teaching it. I was spraying the toilet, and I looked over, and he's like sprinting. Because the spray's hitting him. And I was like, time to get out, Blizzard.
Can you say please? Can you say please? Blizzard. Can you say please?
Please.
Say please? You say please? No?
He's very pleased.
No. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Blizzard. Leave it. Leave it. Hey. Sit. 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 Leave it. Okay. You can have it. You can have it.
We have Windex.
You gonna creep up on it? You just don't want to speak now, do you?
It's hard to make.